If central air isn't an option, window units don't fit, and mini splits are too expensive, a portable air conditioner is your best bet. In this video, we've ranked the best portable air conditioners of 2025 based on cooling power, noise levels, energy efficiency, smart features, and overall value. All the models mentioned in this video are linked in the description below. So let's get started. SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner. If you're looking for a powerful air conditioning solution that combines versatility and portability, the SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner with 12,000 BTU is an excellent choice. This unit cools spaces up to 550 square feet, offering 4 modes: cooling, heating, dehumidifying, and fan. I love how lightweight it is, making it easy to roll from room to room. The included window mount kit simplifies installation, although you might need to tweak it for some window designs. With a noise level between 56 to 59 dBA, it operates quietly enough for most users. While it effectively cools and heats, keep in mind it may struggle in larger areas. Overall, it's a solid value for its price and performance. SeNSTECH 4-in-1 Portable Air Conditioner. The 4-in-1 portable air conditioner with evaporative cooling is the perfect choice for anyone living in dry climates who craves a versatile cooling solution. This unit combines an air cooler, humidifier, and fan, making it ideal for areas like the southwestern US. I love the 4 modes and 3 fan speeds that let me customize my comfort with 12 cooling combinations. Its ventless design means no hoses or windows are needed, making setup a breeze. Plus, the 2-gallon tank provides up to 20 hours of cooling, which is fantastic for long days. With a remote control and quiet operation, I can enjoy a peaceful environment while staying cool. Just remember, this works best in low humidity. Humhold 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Looking for a versatile climate control solution? The 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner with heat mode is perfect for keeping your space comfortable year-round. With a cooling capacity of 14,000 BTU and a heating capacity of 12,500 BTU, it efficiently covers areas up to 700 square feet. I love the smart mode that adjusts based on room temperature, ensuring I stay cozy at 73 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, the remote control makes it easy to operate from across the room. The built-in self-evaporation system takes the hassle out of water management, and the 360-degree wheels allow for effortless movement. Just keep in mind that it's a bit heavy and requires hose venting. Overall, it's a solid investment for comfort and convenience. Dreo Portable Air Conditioner. If you want a portable air conditioner that combines powerful cooling with quiet operation, the Dreo Portable Air Conditioner is a fantastic choice. It cools spaces up to 14 feet efficiently, perfect for those sweltering South Florida summers. I love its 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, making it incredibly versatile. Plus, at just 46 decibels, it won't disrupt my peace. The Smart app lets me control settings remotely and even syncs with Alexa or Google Home. Installation is a breeze with universal kits, and there's no worry about drainage under 85% humidity. Overall, the Dreo delivers excellent performance while keeping things quiet and convenient, ideal for anyone needing effective cooling without the noise. Coolblus Air Conditioner. For anyone seeking an efficient and adaptable cooling solution, the Coolblus air conditioner stands out with its impressive 12,000 BTU capacity. It cools rooms up to 550 square feet, making it perfect for my living space. I love that it also functions as a dehumidifier and fan, providing versatility throughout the year. With a noise level of just 52 decibels, it runs quietly, especially in sleep mode, which is a game changer for nighttime use. Setting it up was a breeze, thanks to the 360-degree casters and easy installation components. Plus, the auto clean feature keeps maintenance hassle-free. Overall, it delivers quick cooling and reliable performance, all while being energy efficient, with an estimated annual cost of just $77. FANCOLE Mini 3-in-1 Portable Desk AC. The FANCOLE Mini air conditioner, with its compact design and multifunctionality, is perfect for anyone seeking a versatile cooling solution in small spaces. Weighing just 1.87 pounds and measuring 6 by 7.09 by 7.4 inches, it easily fits on my desk or bedside table. This 3-in-1 unit functions as an air conditioner, humidifier, and nightlight, making it incredibly useful. I love that it cools my space by 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 seconds. With a 700 milliliter water tank, it runs for 6 to 8 hours without needing a refill. Plus, it operates quietly at less than 52 decibels. Whether I'm working or sleeping, this portable AC has become my go-to for comfort during hot days and nights. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Until then, take care and stay updated with the latest in tech.